Every school year begins the same, with new faces, new seats, and the thought that it will all pass quickly. But sometimes, a section becomes more than just classmates. Sometimes, it becomes a home, a family, where ordinary days turns into unforgettable memory.
Matog na lang po ba? Kunya na tamat to na.
Sige. Sige, oy, magmatog ta pa. Please ako ay magtuon sa ako. Kunya na na uy, na. Agka mo di ay. Kini na mo to?
Yes, tuwan-tuwan. Matog ta ay. Di ka maka-answer. Di ka matog.
Sige. Matog na lang to.
Every day was bright with joy, until the moment arrived to decide the future.
Good morning, Sir Ibon.
Good morning, Teacher Sid. Thank you, sir. So everyone, like bago first year ako sa senior high school. So, ipagkat na tawa karaan katong diba ang karaan ito Batman katong STEM, yung ICT, itang nato siya karon kay STEM lang pero nasa ito yung program. So, ang STEM karon kay nasa ito yung program, STEM education, STEM engineering, o STEM medical. So, nakoy yata yung form na magpili mo asa mo gusto. So, tara.
Unsa kang piliun na mag-engineer na lang ko kay may science. Sige.
Mag-edok na lang ko kaysa yun, ra.
Medical ako kay may gusto sa akong parents.
Mag-medical ko kay gusto ko ma-dentist.
Iya. Pwede ko matanong nga nung transfer ka.
Ako mama mo at tuwan sa hospital. Iya po ko balik ko sa nilo.
Sure na dyan kung transfer ka? Oo. Okay, mag-engineer. Engineer ang kipili, kaya kung mag-engineer.
Medicine. Okay. Sunod ko sa hospital. Ikaw, Tia? Pa-transfer lang ko. Huh?
But the truth is, even the strongest bonds are tested by change.
but the memories we build will always stay with us.
Even if we go in separate ways, we will always come back to one. Carrying these memories for a lifetime.